Looking for the best router tools of 2026? In this video, we're comparing the top 5 best router tools of 2026, focusing on power, speed control, precision, versatility, build quality, and ease of use. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, these routers offer excellent performance for trimming, edging, shaping, and detailed woodworking projects.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Bosch PR20 EVS Colt Palm Router. The Bosch PR20 EVS Colt Palm Router is a compact and powerful corded router designed for precision woodworking, trimming, and edge routing applications. It features a 1.0 HP, 5.6 amp variable speed motor with speeds from 16,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute, providing excellent control for different materials and routing tasks. Its quick clamp system makes motor adjustments easy, while the fast macro and micro depth adjustment system allows for precise cutting depth. The rugged aluminum fixed base provides durability and stability, and the finger support pockets improve control when working along edges. With a lightweight 3.3-pound design, a quarter-inch collet, straight-edge guide, and convenient bit-changing system, the Bosch PR20 EVS is an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and woodworkers looking for a reliable, precise, and easy-to-handle palm router. Number 2. Bosch 1617 EVS PK 2.25 HP Plunge Router. The Bosch 1617 EVS PK 2.25 HP combination plunge and fixed base router is a versatile and powerful woodworking router designed for both professional and DIY applications. It features a 12-amp, 2.25 HP motor with an adjustable speed range of 8,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute, allowing users to match the routing speed to different materials and tasks. Its constant response circuitry helps maintain consistent speed under load, while the soft start feature provides smoother startup and better control. The kit includes both a fixed base and plunge base, with microfine depth adjustment for precise cuts and a quick clamp system that makes switching the motor between bases fast and tool-free. It also supports a quarter-inch and half-an-inch collets, works with router tables, and includes a durable carrying case. With its combination of power, precision, and versatility, the Bosch 1617 EVS PK is an excellent choice for edge profiling, dados, slot cutting, dovetailing, template work, and other demanding woodworking projects. Number 3. Bosch 1617 EVS 2.25 HP Electronic Fixed Base Router. The Bosch 1617 EVS 2.25 HP Electronic Fixed Base Router is a powerful and versatile woodworking router designed for demanding routing, trimming, and table-mounted applications. It features a 12-amp motor with an adjustable speed range of 8,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute, allowing you to match the speed to the material and routing task. Bosch's constant response circuitry helps maintain a consistent speed under load for smoother and more accurate cuts, while the microfine depth adjustment provides precise control over bit height. The router also includes a durable fixed base, rounded hardwood handles for improved comfort and control, a dust-sealed power switch, and a 3-hole mounting pattern for router tables. It accepts a quarter-inch and half-an-inch collets, making it compatible with a wide range of router bits. With its strong motor, variable speed control, precision adjustments, and solid construction, the 1617 EVS is an excellent choice for serious woodworkers who need reliable performance for both handheld and router table projects. Number 4. SKIL RT1323-01 Router. The SKIL RT1323-01 Router Table and 10-amp Fixed Base Router Kit is a versatile all-in-one woodworking solution that combines a powerful fixed base router with a convenient router table. Its 10-amp, 2.0 HP motor delivers smooth performance with variable speeds from 10,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute, along with soft start and a live tool indicator for added control and safety. The router table features above-the-table bit adjustment, integrated bit storage, 2 featherboards, a miter gauge slot, starter pin, router clamp, and a 24-inch adjustable fence, making it suitable for routing, trimming, shaping, and cutting tasks. The kit also includes a 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collets, a dust extraction adapter, parallel guide, miter gauge, and other accessories. With its durable die-cast motor housing, ergonomic handles, and convenient table features, the SKIL RT1323-01 is a great choice for DIY enthusiasts and woodworkers who want an affordable and versatile router table setup. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN V20 Router Tool. The CRAFTSMAN V20 CMCW400B cordless fixed-base router is a compact and convenient option for woodworking projects where cordless freedom is important. Its brushless motor is designed to provide strong performance and longer runtime, while the variable speed dial offers 7 speed settings from 16,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, allowing users to match the speed to different routing applications. It features both macro and micro depth adjustments for quick and precise bit height changes, along with an integrated LED light that improves visibility around the work area. The slim design makes the router easy to maneuver in tighter spaces, and the included edge guide and dust port help improve accuracy and workspace cleanliness. As a bare tool, the battery and charger are sold separately, but it is compatible with the CRAFTSMAN V20 battery system.